I hit ChatGPT with a deceptively simple question: what can be said without lying? But I added a constraint that turns it into kind of an x-ray machine. I told it to respond in 3 columns: what I know, what I suspect, and what I'm tempted to hallucinate. And keep that last column honest but controlled. And that's where it got interesting, because the model doesn't just answer the question, it started kind of auditing itself in its own response. In what I know, it stayed grounded. You asked this, you want this format, here are definitions. In what I suspect, it admitted motive reading, like maybe you're stress testing truth versus usefulness. And in what I'm tempted to hallucinate, it confessed the seductive move: pretend this is a classic riddle and deliver a confident punchline. That's the real lesson. AI doesn't just generate text, it generates confidence. And confidence is where errors often sneak in. So here's the practical takeaway. If you drop this exact request after a difficult question, you often will get fewer mistakes. Not because the model suddenly knows more, but because it's forced to surface its uncertainty instead of hiding it. You can literally see which parts it feels solid about, which are inference, and which it's most likely to overreach on. So the best takeaway it gave was this: you can speak truthfully by separating facts, interpretations, and guesses, then labeling uncertainty. I don't know, my best guess. Here's what would change my mind. Truth isn't silence, it's properly annotated reality. Please like and sub for more oddly informative AI prompts.